Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You already have the essentials, Python and pip. First, install Jupyter if needed by running pip install Jupyter or pip install Notebook. Once done, open the command prompt and change directory to your working folder with cd path / to / project so notebooks save where you expect. Make sure you use the same Python environment you'll run kernels from. Virtualenv or venv are fine. This gets you immediately to the point where launching becomes a single command and avoids environment conflicts later. You now start Jupyter by typing Jupyter Notebook or Jupyter Lab in the command prompt and pressing Enter. The server prints a URL with a token and usually opens your browser at localhost 8888. Copy the URL from the terminal if the browser doesn't open. Once the interface loads, create a new notebook or open an existing ipinb and explicitly choose the kernel that matches your Python environment so packages resolve correctly. If kernels are missing, install ipykernel. Finish by saving your work and confirming autosave settings. Use file right arrow save and checkpoint or press Ctrl+S. When you're done, return to the command prompt and stop the server with Ctrl+C, then confirm shutdown so ports free up. If something goes wrong, check the terminal logs for error messages and verify your path and active environment. Missing packages or wrong kernel cause the most problems. One key troubleshooting tip. If the browser won't connect, copy the token URL from the terminal into the browser manually and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.